Alright, so here we are with this 2011 Mercedes-Benz E350. We are replacing the headlight bolts. This is the low beam. Basically, this is the new one that we're gonna install. Basically goes behind there. So if you are looking for a mechanic to replace your headlight bulbs on Mercedes-Benz, you can give me a call. My number is 832-618-7291 to do a headlight bulb replacement on any Mercedes-Benz. This is the lobby, like I say, but we can do it all. So this is the bulb that we're about to install right now. We're gonna get it inside. You can give me a call for more information about appointments. We are located in Houston. See, just gotta put the little clips in there and it should be good to go. Thanks a lot.